Yo, what's up creators? Have you ever wanted to make insane, high-quality AI-generated videos without spending a single dollar? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it, for free. You don't need expensive software, you don't need pro editing skills, and you definitely don't need a high-end computer. All you need is the right AI tool, a few simple steps, and your creativity. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate mind-blowing videos with just AI. No hidden fees, no complicated setups, just straight-up easy and free video creation. Sound good? But that's not all. You can also turn ordinary images into stunning videos in just a few clicks. And if you need high-quality images, this tool has you covered. Generate them instantly with a single click. It's that easy. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for WAN 2.1. Click on the WAN.video link, or you can find the tool link in my video description for easy access. Once you're on the site, click on AI Videos. Here, you'll see two options, AI Text to Video and AI Image to Video. We're going to test both, starting with Text to Video. Enter your text prompt or paste it in. Select your aspect ratio. Make sure to turn off inspiration mode since it can lower video quality. The sound effect option is up to you, enable or disable it based on your preference. Once everything is set, click on Generate Video, and let the AI do its magic. While the AI processes your video, you can either wait or start generating another one to save time. Simply paste your next prompt into the text box. This time, let's turn sound effects on so we can test how it affects the final result. Now, we have two videos in the queue, both generating at the same time, maximizing efficiency. Next, click on the arrow button, and you'll see different AI models available. Right now, we're using Text to Video 2.1. Let's select Text to Video 2.1 Turbo for faster results. Using the same prompt, click Generate, and you'll notice that this version shows a shorter processing time compared to the previous one. Instead of waiting around for our video outputs, let's try the AI Images tool. Click on AI Images, then go to Models and check out the options available. WAN 2.1 Plus uses 2 credits for premium level outputs. WAN 2.1 Turbo uses 1 credit, faster but with slightly lower quality. WAN 2.0 Turbo, also 1 credit, great for beautiful portraits. WAN 1.0 uses 1 credit and offers diverse artistic styles. Now, write or paste your prompt into the text box. In Style Palettes, you can choose a look if you want, but I'll skip that for now. Next, select your aspect ratio, I'm going with 9:16. Once everything is set, click Generate Image, and let's see what AI creates. While our first image is processing, let's generate another one to save time. Paste your prompt into the text box. This time, select the model WAN 2.1 Turbo for a faster result. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a wider image. Now, click Generate Image, and let the AI do the work. Now, you can see that our WAN 2.1 Turbo image is ready. When we take a closer look, you'll notice that the quality isn't the best. That's expected since this model prioritizes speed over detail. But here's a quick trick to get 5 free credits. Simply click the like button on your generated image or video, and they'll reward you with extra credits. Easy and totally worth it. Now, let's try the same prompt, but this time with the WAN 2.1 Plus model. This one delivers high-quality, stunning images, so the results should be much better. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, then click Generate Image, and let's see the difference in quality. Our first image with WAN 2.1 Plus is now ready, let's check it out. Alright, here we have 4 high-quality images of a girl in a cyberpunk theme. Not bad at all. The detail and clarity are definitely a step up. Now, open them up and take a closer look. Pick the one that stands out the most and hit the like button, this will give you 5 more free credits. Next, click on the 3 dots and select Publish. If your image or video gets selected by the one team, you'll receive 20 extra credits, so it's worth a shot. As we mentioned at the start of the video, we're also learning image to video. So, since our last image looks great, let's turn it into a video. Click on Generate Video, and it will automatically open in the Image to Video tool. But before we continue, our Text to Video 2.1 Turbo result is ready. Let's check it out. Click Play. You can see it looks pretty good, but the background has no movement. That's expected with this model, but still, a decent result. Now, back to our Image to Video tool. You can enter a prompt if you'd like, it's optional, but I'll add one for a better result. Make sure sound effect is on, inspiration mode is OFF, and at the top, you'll see the start and end frame option. I'll keep that off as well. Once everything is set, click Generate, and let's see what the AI creates. And here it is, our final results. We started with AI-generated text-to-video, experimented with image generation, and even transformed an image into a video, all using AI, all for free. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. That's it for today, see you in the next one.